Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Hara, and I love it if you click on the subscribe button below just in case you aren't subscribed already. And if you are a returning subscriber, thanks a lot for coming back. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to use DETTOL Antiseptic right here to clear your acne, your existing pimples, and just to clear up your skin in general. So if that sounds like something that you would be interested in, if you're dealing with acne currently and you've tried so many ways, so many things, and nothing is working for you, then you definitely want to watch this video till the end. There's so many people who do not actually know that they can actually use DETTOL to clear their acne. Now, DETTOL is an antiseptic. It is antibacterial, it is antifungal, so it's supposed to help you, prevent bacteria and whatnot. Usually people use it for disinfecting purposes and so many other things. But then one thing that you can also use DETTOL Antiseptic for is to clear up your pimples and your acne. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing you exactly how to do that with tips, and not just how to do that, but how to do it correctly and safely so that you are getting the maximum results and benefits. This video is not from a medical point of view, rather it is from a personal experience as well as research. So whatever I share with you in this video is based on my knowledge, through personal experience as well as research. But feel free to dig in further and do your research further before you try out this product, or before you just give into any of the tips that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Secondly, you want to make sure you do a patch test before you even dive into trying it at all. And now that we have this disclaimer out of the way, let's get started. Now, if you are skeptical or you are scared of using DETTOL, because I know that there's so many people who actually find DETTOL a little bit strong or harsh for their skin, then Septol is a milder option. I'm going to leave the picture on the screen just in case you don't know what it looks like, but that is a milder option. It is something that you can actually use and get similar results. It is not as strong and as potent as DETTOL, so that will be fine if you have sensitive skin. Now, the very first thing you want to know about using DETTOL to treat your pimple, to treat your acne, is the fact that you should not put DETTOL straight up on your skin. It will burn you. Like, this thing right here is literally going to burn your skin out if you put it straight up on your skin. You definitely want to mix it with water. So the way I use it and the way you should use it is by taking half of the cap and then add water, depending on the solution and how you want to use it. But you could take half of the cup and then fill the rest up with water before applying it on your skin. Just make sure you mix it up to a point where you are very comfortable with it and it's not like too strong and too potent before you put it on your skin. You definitely do not want to put this straight up on your skin, especially on your face, because it will burn. Now, DETTOL on its own can be very, very drying, especially when you're using it to treat, certain skincare conditions like acne, and especially when you're using it by itself. So you want to make sure that after you use DETTOL, you definitely follow up with a moisturizer or a hydrating skincare routine generally, just so that your skin isn't dried out from the process. Also, you want to make sure that you do not do this like every single day, morning and night, because it could irritate your skin, especially if you are using it as a treatment. So there are several ways that you can actually use DETTOL to get rid of your pimple, to get rid of your acne. First of which is to include it in your bathing water every single day. This is like the very standard basic way of using DETTOL that I feel like most people actually practice, and for some people, like, it is the only way they actually know how to use DETTOL. So you could just take a cupful, depending on how much the quantity of your bathing water is, and then put it in and then use it to like wash off all your body, and that's basically it. Now, if you want a more effective and a more straight to the point, a more targeted means of use and solution, then you might have to do something a little bit extra. And what I highly recommend is to take a container and then take a cup full of DETTOL, put it in the container, and then put equal parts of water in it. And then you could actually use either a Q-tip or a cotton round. You could use like a Q-tip and just apply it on the spots where you need it. Or if let's assume like it's your entire face you're dealing with, then you could actually use it just the way you would use your toner or your astringent. Just put your cotton round into the solution and then wipe off your face, like just apply it all over your face. For me, I would say leave it for 10 to 20 minutes and then rinse off. But if you feel like your skin can handle it, then you could actually, you know, do this at night and then go to bed with it. But for me, I just feel like it is not really ideal for you to go to bed with that particular solution on your face. So what I'd advise is for you to use this on your face and then leave for 10 to 20 minutes and then rinse off afterwards, and then follow up with your skincare routine. Now, one precaution that you should definitely avoid while using Dettol solution to treat your pimple is to go in with, you know, a high strength benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid or exfoliant immediately after the solution, or even like to wash your face with like a regular spin brush, or like kind of like hardly exfoliating your face before you go in with it, or it is going to burn your skin, it is going to irritate your skin. You want to make sure that your skin is very, you know, untouched, I would say. Like obviously after you wash your face, you want to make sure that your skin hasn't been put through, you know, any form of stress, like rigorous activity like exfoliating and whatnot, before going in with Dettol, so that it is mild and gentle enough on your skin, and so that it doesn't irritate your skin and cause you any form of, you know, irritation. I am repeating myself, but you get the point. Now, one thing that you have to have at the back of your mind is the fact that Dettol is not going to fade away your acne scars. This is basically used to treat bacteria, to treat infection, to treat cuts, to treat bites, to treat dandruff, you know, pimples and whatnot. But then Dettol is not going to fade away your acne scars. So if you are using Dettol with the hope of getting like a clear skin, like hyperpigmentation free, fading away of scars, then you might be disappointed. So you just have that at the back of your mind, and make sure that you follow up with a good skincare routine after using the Dettol. Dettol is just supposed to help you get rid of that bacteria that is infecting your skin, and you know, just those bacteria that live in those pimples that are on your skin, just to get rid of them so that they can actually heal faster for you to be able to continue with the rest of the process. Not that Dettol is going to like clear up your skin and like just, you know, give you that smooth looking skin that is spot free and hyperpigmentation free. It doesn't work like that. Sorry to burst your bubble. You have to put in extra work, but this is like a very first step to get that clear surface for you to be able to work with. And with that said, this is a very inexpensive way to help cure your acne. Instead of going straight up to buy like benzoyl peroxide or, you know, expensive salicylic acid treatments, you could actually try using Dettol as consistently as you can in your routine, and hopefully it will work for you as well. And yeah, that is my 2 cents on how to use Dettol Antiseptic Liquid to clear up your pimples, to treat your pimples, to get rid of your acne, and just give you a clearer skin overall. And yeah, let me know how you use Dettol in your routine, or if you do or if you don't. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, you guys know that I love you. Have a great life, stay safe, and take care of yourselves. Bye.